In total, we've had funding of 11.5 million, and 1 million of that has come from industry, which is really strong.
A lot of people are sent to assessment centres or do them online. We are very focused on matching the position with the person.
Innovation is all about connections. It's about people talking to each other. So making that connection from the individual, the little me here, and what difference can I make, through to my team, my organisation, and actually, the industry, the country, the nation, the world.
The company is AIS Limited, or Automatic Identification Systems. We supply end-of-line packaging automation, specifically in the area of automatic labelling, barcode scanning, machine vision systems and RFID solutions. So we supply those primarily to pharmaceutical manufacturing, medical device and food and beverage manufacturing companies. We do a mixture of exhibitions throughout the year, so they're all very important to our marketing.
We're 112 years in business, only manufacturer in Ireland of PPE, workwear and safety. We came to this event, I suppose, looking to get a book of prospects for end user business.
So yes, the company's name is LZ Life Science. We have a product called Shop Floor Online. It's a software product that manufacturing companies can use to increase performance, reduce errors and stuff in the paperwork that they might complete to make their product. So we've enjoyed today's event. It's an important part of our marketing strategy that we go to events like this.
EF Processing was formed approximately 14 years ago. And the whole concept of the company was, at that stage, to combine supercritical fluid processing technique and a new technology called supercritical fluid processing and plastics processing techniques. And the whole idea is to combine those two technologies to move from lab scale and R&D out of a lab into industry.
The importance of this event this morning for Kappa was brand awareness. We want to get our brand out there, we want people to know about the group, the facilities we have around Ireland. We've 7 plants on the island of Ireland, in Dublin, up north in Logan, Galway, Cork, etc.
This has been an outstandingly good event for us. Okay, so there's been a lot of interest specifically in our Industry 4.0 dedicated event, which is on the 28th of April. We've had a lot of people who come along to speak to us today because that event is very unique. It's one of the few events on the national calendar.
Well, our company is called SL Controls. We are a company that's originally based in Sligo, but we've regional offices in Galway, Limerick and Dublin. We provide pharmaceutical automated solutions to customers in the pharmaceutical and medical device sector. Our solutions will be validation, computerized systems and design input.
We're Alfred K. O'Hare. We established in 1960. We've been around for 56 years. We provide a full range of fasteners, engineering consumables. For the last 30 years we've been involved with essential components. The event today, this is our first event of 2016. We're delighted to be here. It's been a great event. It's certainly one that we will be back next year.
Well, what we've done today is we've got a product called ConnectedTube. It's a modular system that will be used to allow people to build workstations, carts, trolleys, things that would facilitate the production process. And it's important for us today to bring some of the product along so that it gets give people a clear idea and a hands-on feel for the product.
Standardised solution enables us to do that.
If you're making payments out of Canada, was it rule of grant funding over the last?
As a manager,
any country all over the world, pull out a card.
We funded a range of projects.
We're a family-run company. Our name is Shenette, and we're an off-site sectional shed manufacturer. So what we do is plant rooms, storage rooms, chemical rooms, and light industrial storage. It's actually been a very good show, a very busy show. We've had a lot of inquiries, and our quality product sells. It sells itself. It's a high-class product.
Our whole business is based on collecting materials from companies, so to be at a manufacturing and supply conference is perfect for us. It's great to first of all introduce our company to manufacturers around Ireland. We're only a new business, we're only 2 years up and running, so you know, it's good for us to introduce the idea and the concept to people, and also to meet new suppliers and hopefully make a few new connections.
IPP Logipal is part of Pooling Partners. We're the largest manufacturer of pallets across Europe. In the UK and Ireland, we've grown over the last 10 years to have a 17% market share. We rent standardised industrial pallets to fast-moving consumer goods industry. We've grown in the UK considerably over the last 10 years, and we're now looking to grow even more in Ireland.
GS1 is a supply chain standards organisation. We work with businesses right across the supply chain to help them identify objects, to capture information about them, and to share that information, but all based on standards. We've come along today because the event has such a wide variety of organisations, from manufacturers through to solution providers through to industry and state organisations.
We're based in Monaghan with offices in Belfast and Dublin. We've been in consultancy for the last 8 years plus. Today we're here to talk about Lean, particularly the Lean roadmap. This is our piece of literature that we've been sharing. I presented out on a topic called Can you sustain Lean without a roadmap? There's a range of businesses here today, from engineering, plastic, services, and Lean covers all aspects of industry. It's just not for manufacturing, it works in shared services as well.
Your cognitive ability, your ability to understand, to problem solve. What I would always say is experience is no excuse for ability. Just because somebody has done it before doesn't mean that they can apply knowledge, problem solve and do different things in the future. We'll happily take someone with less experience if they have the necessary ability. And they have to fit the team, naturally enough, and that's part of the whole occupational assessment.
Our company is South Dublin Chamber. We represent businesses in South County Dublin. We've been in business for just over 30 years. And the importance of this event has helped us to meet many new potential members. We've received a lot of interest from delegates who've stopped to talk to us and want to know much more about what we do.
Our company name is RTR Electronics. We're based in Anacotty in Limerick. We're a subcontract manufacturer. We do low to medium volume electronic assemblies. The importance of the show is that we get to showcase our products. We meet potential customers, and also it's a day out to meet other suppliers and see what new products they have.
The event is excellent for networking throughout the Irish market. That Superior Express is in business since 1986, established in 1987, and it's a great networking event. Seals are import and distributor of engineering products here to the Irish market. We specialise in the agri-trade and are now looking to move into industry and manufacturing. And this is one of the reasons for attending the show here today.
One of the key highlights that I found at the event was the IBM speak that I attended on the global environment, which I think is hugely important. The whole event was a massive success in terms of the number of companies that were represented here.
I came to this event because I thought there was a great lineup of speakers in the manufacturing sector. We deal with micro enterprises in Mayo Local Enterprise Office, so it's been very, very useful for us to make contacts, network with people and see what's going on and keep up to date on what's going on in the whole manufacturing world.
With any process, including lean, is like a sandcastle. The tides will lap at it, and unless you're reinforcing it and taking care of it, it will fail.